In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on E*Trade. First, let's discuss the initial requirement, getting approved for options trading. Log into your E*Trade account. From there, navigate to Account Settings and then go to Trading Permissions. Here, you need to apply for options trading approval. You might wonder why this is necessary. Well, without this approval, you won't have full access to trade options, which is crucial for executing your strategies effectively. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to wait for approval. This can range from level 1 to level 4 depending on your trading strategy. Next up, let's open Power E*Trade. Sign into your E*Trade account and then click on Power E*Trade. This platform is where the magic happens. It's designed for options trading and it provides all the tools you need. Now search for a stock you are interested in, like AAPL or TSLA. This is important because choosing the right stock is the first step in crafting a successful options trade. Now let's open the options chain. Select the stock you searched for and then click on Options Chain. Here's what you'll see: calls on the left side and puts on the right side, along with different strike prices and expiration dates. Understanding this layout is crucial. Calls represent a bet that the stock price will go up, while puts are the opposite. At this point, you need to choose your option contract. You must decide on the expiration date, which is when the option contract ends. Also, select the strike price, which is your target price for the stock. Finally, decide whether you are going for a call if you believe the price will rise, or a put if you think it will fall. This decision is strategic. Picking the right expiration date and strike price can significantly impact your potential profits or losses. With that ready, it's time to place the trade. Click on the option you've chosen. You will need to select whether to buy to open if you're buying the option or sell to open if you're selling it. Enter the number of contracts you want to trade. Remember, one contract controls 100 shares. Also, enter a limit price. Using a limit price is recommended as it helps you control the price at which your order is executed, avoiding unwanted surprises. Once you have entered all the details, click Preview Order, and if everything looks good, click Submit. After placing the trade, you can manage your options trade by tracking it in the Positions tab. This is where you can monitor the performance. You can close the trade anytime. If you bought it, you would sell to close. If you sold it, you would buy to close. This flexibility is key to managing risk and locking in profits. Finally, let's go over some important rules. Always use limit orders as they provide more control over the price. Avoid market orders as prices can move quickly. Remember, each contract controls 100 shares, so be aware of the scale of your trade. Options can expire worthless, leading to a total loss. This is due to time decay, which causes prices to move fast. Being aware of these risks can help you make more informed decisions. That brings us to the end of our tutorial on trading options on E*Trade. Thank you for watching and happy trading.